up-down. So bring your creative sewing and embroidery visions to life with the Brother SE600 2-in-1 sewing and embroidery machine.
Creativity has no boundaries, so why should your machine? Whether you're making a large quilt, garment, or you're working on a bulky project, the Baby Lock Jazz 2 comes with everything a quilter would want, plus the unique features you need on a utility stitch machine. With an expansive 12 inches to the right of the needle, programmable needle position for easy maneuverability, 6 LED lights that illuminate the needle and work area, and a blazing fast 1,000 stitches per minute, you'll be finished faster than you thought. And with Baby Lock's online tutorials and education, you don't just get a machine, you get endless creative inspiration. The Baby Lock Jazz 2 gives you room to improvise, and your projects get the space they deserve. So what are you waiting for? Make a project that sings with the Baby Lock Jazz 2.
The wait is over. The best has arrived. The most advanced sewing and embroidery machine we have ever created is at your service. Seamless connectivity to sew and go anywhere. Enhanced IDT and active stitch technology for stunning embroidery with the most challenging threads. Unparalleled power and stability for ultimate precision, no matter the fabric. Maximum workspace and light to view your project without interruption. You are the artisan. Creative Icon is your muse. Now is your time to own the best from PFAFF. PFAFF Creative Icon.
Sewing machine, the HD6800C series, combines ease-of-use features with enhanced speed and piercing power. Sew a wide range of fabrics from lightweight sheer to layers of denim. You'll love the built-in needle threader, speed control, thread cutter button, stitch tie-off, stitch mirror image, and stitch elongation, as well as the one-step buttonhole. There are also 2 different lettering fonts built in so you can sew words, phrases, and monograms. 10 presser feet are included to enhance your creative options. The 300 built-in stitches offer 586 stitch applications, which you can explore on the Singer website. Your machine instruction manual is also available online to view